Hello everybody. I am Dhruthi Sanjay Bhandarkar and I have scored 95.4% in my class 10th board examination 2022-23. And this was because of three major reasons, and that is my school, my teachers, my parents as well as my hard work. Firstly, talking about my school. Chitrakoota has played a very huge role in this success of mine. Chitrakoota has given me the best guidance about class 10th board examination. The best thing is the teachers know each and every child precisely. And that is why if any of my teacher saw me getting distracted or getting deviated from my studies, they would right away talk to me about it and they would help me get a good score next time. Secondly, I would say that any preparation for any examination has its own failure as well as success. Graphically representing my outcome of each and every test, I would say that it was not a constant growth. I would say that it had its own ups and downs. So here, my parents played a very huge role. They always made sure that I was motivated in each and every step, and also they had maintained my health because health was a crucial thing in class 10th. It plays a huge role. Then speaking about my hard work I would classify into three things, and that is a dream, discipline as well as my dedication. I was very dedicated in class 10th board examination. I would maintain my routine each and every day. I would make sure that I was not distracted by any small thing. Talking about discipline, discipline changed my life. It was discipline in each and every single thing, be it ironing my dress every day or getting my diary signed or completion of my homework on time. It was not just honesty to my school, but it was honesty to myself. I would wake up at 4 a.m. every day, be it a Wednesday or be it a Sunday. I would make sure that I dedicated at least in minimum 4 hours for my academics only. I would also balance my co-curriculars with my academics. Then talking about a dream. I dreamt of the joyful tear rolling out of my mother's eye. I dreamt of my father telling proudly to everybody that my daughter scored a very good rank in class 10th board examination. I dreamt of the joyful smile on each and every teacher in Chitrakoota as well as on the principal's face. I dreamt of that very good rank in class 10th board examination. And when on 12th May 2023, when the results were out, I felt that my hard work really paid off. My dreams got fulfilled. Concluding, I would say that no R.D. Sharma or no Oswal or Rachna Sagar made this come true. But it was the collective effort of my teachers, the principal, my parents, as well as the dedication, discipline, and the dream. Thank you.